Hey doing, it's Kwa here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Phantom Buster to grow your Instagram account automatically. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Phantom Buster website. You got to sign up for a free account or a paid account. I'm already paying for a I think it's a pro account. I think I'm on the pro account or something where I'm getting 3 hours per day. And it comes with a lot of pretty cool phantoms, so you can scrape stuff off LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Instagram, Google, Twitter, and so forth. But this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scrape it using Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to go to my dashboard, and I've already got a few phantoms that's already set up. So the one that we'll be talking about is Instagram Auto Follow. This is a phantom that you can use from Phantom Buster out of the box. So all you have to do is just go to Phantoms, go to Instagram, and then just go to Auto Follow and just click on Use this Phantom, and automatically it will just go into your dashboard. Now once you've set it up, what you need to do is you need to set this up with another one called Instagram Follower Collector. The way Instagram works is that if you want to grow your Instagram following, you follow someone who matches your target market, and all those people that's following that particular person will highly likely follow your material, right? So therefore, if you follow their followers and they check out your stuff, they'll most likely follow you too. So what you want to do is you want to install this one, which is called Instagram Follower Collector. And then once you do that, you've installed it, you need to set it up so you have to you have to follow the particular person that you want to follow. So what I'll do is I'll set it up right now. And you need to connect to Instagram first. So don't stress out. I know it looks really complicated, but you can do this in your own time. So you need to paste this Instagram social session cookie, right? You can get it by going to Inspect Element, go to Instagram, and then go to Storage. I know this is really crazy stuff. You got to grab the cookie, right? And the cookie is in the session ID right there. Okay, so this is how I grab it. This is the manual way of grabbing it, but you can use Chrome, and Chrome has got this extension where automatically you just like click on a button and it just grabs the details there. So don't stress, okay? This is the manual way of doing it, but there's an automatic way I'll show you in the next one. But anyway, you paste it into there. So that's the session cookie that I'm using at the moment. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to follow a person who I think is going to match my target audience. So good old Dan Lok. Mr. Dan Lok, he is the king of closing. He has 1.9 million followers. And I'm thinking, okay, this guy, he's talking about sales, he's talking about sales and marketing, closing. So I figured, okay, anyone who likes Dan Lok, they might even like me, since I'm also Asian as well. Right? So I'm a sales closer lead generation, so let's give this a shot, right? Anyone who likes Dan Lok might like me too. So what I do is, so I've only got 1,438, but it was a bit lower after when I was, it's gone a bit higher since running this, but I'll show you. Anyway, so that's an example. So let's say I want to follow Dan Lok's followers. I go save, and then just leave it. Name your results file. So right now, I ran the automation from July 16. It's July 20 at the moment, but I'll just leave it there for now. You can rename it to whatever you want. In the settings, do you want to launch it now or repeatedly? So what this means is that if you want to send it now, if you want to launch it now, or do you want to launch it every day and so forth. For the sake of this demo purposes, let's just go save. Okay, and then that's it. You click on launch, right? And then automatically it's going to go onto Dan Lok's Instagram account, right? And it's going to pull all of Dan Lok's, let me just paste that one there. It's going to grab all of Dan Lok's followers, which is 1.9 million followers, right? And it does this really quickly. It does it in a few minutes, so it's really amazing, and it puts it all into an Excel spreadsheet. So if I click on this Excel spreadsheet, this is just a snapshot of all of these followers. So if I'm scrolling, so these are all the people, right, that's currently following him. So that's pretty cool. So I've got this, right? Okay, so that's awesome. So I've got that. Once that's done, you want to install this thing called Instagram Auto Follow. So what this does is that it's going to grab that CSV file, that list that I just collected, and it's going to be following each of those people for a certain amount of time. So to go underneath the radar, what you need to do is that you can't be following 1 million people, you can't be following 1,000 people, 100 people per session, right? You can't keep doing this every single time, because the problem is that Instagram will pick it up and say, hang on, you're using bots, to follow people, and we don't like that. So to stay under the radar, what Phantom Buster says is that what you need to do, you need to launch this every hour and just follow one person per hour, so therefore you're under the radar. So Instagram's not going to pick it up as you're using a bot to do all these things, right? So that's what you do. You set up auto follow, and don't worry about this. I was just playing around with some stuff, so just ignore this. But you want to set it up. So once you've set it up, you once again paste that session cookie so it knows how to log in. The URL, which is that URL was, don't worry, you can automatically set this up. So let's just go in there. So I've got the session in there. It asks me for profiles to follow. So at the moment, it's pointing to the other Phantom. So that's Instagram follower collector. So that CSV file that I've just collected. I go save. The behavior, what I want to do, I want to follow people, right? You can also unfollow. So you can run this Phantom where it'll automatically unfollow people. Unfollow if they don't follow you. You can block people or unblock people. It's really, really cool. But anyway, right now I'm just following people. And then the delay between loading each profile in seconds, just leave it there. And number of profiles to process per launch. So what this means is that I want to just work on just one profile per hour. Okay, so that's cool. We're just going to stay under the radar and we'll just go save. We're going to run this every hour, so repeatedly, once per hour, and then just go save. And that's it. And then once I'm ready to go, just click on launch, and then all of a sudden it just automatically starts following people. So what it does is in the background, as I'm working, as I'm going out there and just doing whatever I'm doing, Phantom Buster is automatically going on Danlock's followers and following each and every person every hour. And yeah, you know, I was really skeptical at the start. I'm just playing around. I don't know what I'm doing, right? But I gave it a shot, and I've already gained a few followers from it. Like these people, I'm already connecting with these people, and they're following me back. I follow them, they follow me back, and then they're checking out my stuff. They're going to my my stories, and yeah, they're checking out my stuff, and now I've gotten some new followers. So, you know, obviously it's a very slow way of growing followers, but it's a method in your arsenal to grow your Instagram following. So there's other methods obviously to grow your Instagram following, become a celebrity, influencer, all that type of stuff, which is cool. But this is another pretty cool way where you can grow your own Instagram following that's related to your particular market. So anyway, hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you got some value out of this video, and I hope to see you soon. So take care, and you know, try not to break the algorithm out there. Right? So I'll see you guys later. Cheers.